Friends, welcome to this video on the process monitor. So on Linux, you have one command called as psg, which shows the hierarchical structure of the processes. But in Windows, it's not. It doesn't display you the processes like in terms of the hierarchy. So if you open your task manager, it will display the processes as a standalone. Like here, all these processes, we do not know who is the parent or the child of particular process. So how do we find that out in Windows? For that, you have to go to this process monitor Windows, search it in Google, and then this link will come up from the Microsoft. Just go to that link and download that process monitor. And once you download that, you have to extract it, and then you will find one exe file over there. Just double click on that one, and that will open the process monitor. And over there you can view all the processes are there, but it is still not showing the hierarchical like parent or the child's a particular process. So to view that, you have to go to tools, and then click on process tree, and then it will display the process tree of your system. So you can see that this init.exe, it has got lots of processes inside it. And similarly, you can find out the childs of each process or the parent of any process from by looking at this particular window. So that is how you can view the process tree in Windows using this tool called as process monitor. Thanks for watching this video.